Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Idioms Explained podcast. This is Season 2, Episode 15, and you're with Emily on Learn English by English.
And I'm Alex, always a pleasure. Emily, before we talk about the efforts required for achievement today, let's reveal the answer to the What's Alex's Idiom challenge from S2E15.
Let's get to it. Last episode, Alex, you described a frustrating meeting where a serious and obvious problem was being ignored by everyone who instead focused on unimportant details.
I did. And we asked our listeners which idiom from Season 1 best described that big, obvious, undiscussed problem. The correct idiom was the elephant in the room.
The elephant in the room, meaning a major problem or controversial issue that is obviously present but avoided in discussion. Fantastic job to everyone who identified that elephant. You can find that idiom in episode 14 of Season 1.
Well done, everyone. Now, Emily, what idiom are we looking at today that's a common motto for hard work and achievement?
Today, Alex, we're discussing a very well-known proverb that has become an idiom. No pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain. That's a classic, often heard in gyms or when talking about hard work. It means that you have to suffer or work hard in order to achieve success or make progress, right?
Exactly. It emphasizes that desirable results often require effort, discomfort, or perseverance through difficulty. For example, I know studying for exams is tough, but no pain, no gain. A good grade will be worth it.
It's a motivational phrase, suggesting that the pain, whether it's physical exertion, mental effort, or enduring hardship, is a necessary precursor to the gain or reward. What's the origin of this, Emily?
The sentiment is ancient, Alex, found in various forms in classical literature. The idea that effort leads to reward is universal. The specific English phrasing, no pain, no gain, or similar versions like no pains, no gains, became popularized around the 16th and 17th centuries. It was notably used by Benjamin Franklin. In more recent times, it was heavily popularized in the 1980s through fitness culture, especially by Jane Fonda in her workout videos.
The fitness connection is very strong. So, an athlete training hard and feeling sore might tell themselves, no pain, no gain, to stay motivated.
Precisely. Or someone working long hours to start a new business might live by that motto. It's been a challenging year setting up the company, but we believe in no pain, no gain for long-term success.
It's about the willingness to endure difficulty for a future benefit. It doesn't necessarily mean literal physical pain, but can refer to any kind of struggle or hard work.
Absolutely. It can be the pain of discipline, sacrifice, or pushing through mental blocks. It's a reminder that easy paths don't always lead to our listeners. No pain, no gain is a proverb meaning that effort, hard work, or suffering is necessary to achieve something worthwhile.
A powerful and motivating message, Emily. A great reminder of the value of perseverance. And now, Emily, are our listeners ready to gain the satisfaction of correctly guessing today's What's Alex's Idiom challenge from Season 1? Even if it takes a little brain pain?
I'm sure they're up for the challenge. What's the scenario for us today, Alex?
All right, here's today's challenge, straight from Season 1. My friend finally got her dream job after months of searching and many interviews. She was absolutely thrilled and incredibly happy. She couldn't stop smiling. Which idiom from Season 1 best described how my friend was feeling after getting her dream job?
Oh, that's a wonderful feeling. Listeners, what do you think? Which Season 1 idiom describes a state of extreme happiness or euphoria? Get your joyful answers into the comments.
We look forward to sharing in your correct guesses. And that's our time for this episode.
Thanks for joining us for Season 2, Episode 15 of Idioms Explained podcast. Make sure you're subscribed to Learn English by English and have that notification bell on. We believe that with consistent listening, a little pain of focus perhaps, you'll gain a lot of English knowledge.
We do. Your support and engagement are the best gain for us. Until next time, everyone.
Bye for now.